Skill-based pool games can offer real money competitions, but PayPal withdrawals depend on the specific app, your location, and the platform's current payout rules. By the end, you'll know 5 pool games worth checking for real money play, and exactly what to verify before expecting a PayPal payout. Number 5 is Pool Clash. This 8-ball game uses the Skills platform, which supports both free and cash competitions. Skills says only cash balances can be withdrawn, while virtual Z currency cannot be converted into cash. That distinction matters because seeing a cash balance and seeing virtual coins in the same account does not mean both are withdrawable. Number 4 is Billiards Cash. AIM is built around billiards competition and is listed with free matches and cash matches. That makes it useful if you want to practice before entering a paid competition. Check the cash game availability for your location before depositing anything. Number 3 is Speed Pool. A speed pool focuses on faster pool matches and supports real money competitions through Skills.gaia. The platform allows players to compete for either virtual currency or real money, but only cash winnings are eligible for withdrawal. Number 2 is Pool Cash. This is another skills pool game with free and cash competition options. The practical advantage is that you can start with free gameplay and learn the controls before deciding whether to enter cash tournaments. Number 1 is Pool Payday. And it also uses the skills competition system and offers free and cash matches. If your priority is finding a pool game where real money competition is built into the platform rather than simply earning points from advertisements, this is the strongest option on this list. There's one detail you should check before assuming any of these games will pay directly to PayPal. Skills' current withdrawal terms say, withdrawals can be processed by check or refunded to the payment method used for a deposit, and processing can take up to 90 days. The terms also say a withdrawal under $10 can be subject to a processing fee of up to $2. So don't treat a video title promising PayPal Cash as a guarantee. Open the app, check the withdrawal methods available to your account and region, and confirm the current minimum and verification requirements before entering a cash competition. The 5 games are YG Pool Clash, Billiards Cash, Speed Pool, Pool Cash, and Pool Payday. The safest approach is to use free matches first, confirm that cash play is available in your location, and check the withdrawal screen before depositing money. If you want more real money game comparisons, like the video and subscribe.